Greetings, my beautiful viewers and subscribers. It's your girl DJ Dalvi here inside the building. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. So, as you can see, it's all about Buff Bay Primary's graduation. The grade 6 students, they are graduating, they are going off to a new school, they are going off to high school. Yes, so you all just stay tuned and watch the highlights, just a few clips from what took place at the graduation. If you are new to this channel, as I said earlier, please check out the videos and consider subscribing and leave a like on this video. Blessings, stay tuned.
We ask that you continue to guide and direct us as we continue our journey. Father, help us to make positive impacts in the world and allow us to be a source of light to all we encounter. Bless our families, friends, and educators who have supported us along the way. We thank you for the grace you have bestowed upon us, which is evident in our achievements. We forever give you all the glory and praise. In Jesus' name, amen.
Greetings from the Ministry of Education, and we will now make welcome on stage from the Ministry of Education, Miss Tanya Sinclair.
Chairperson Miss Kenisha Taylor and Miss Tiffany Taxel, guest speaker Dr. Chevalier Thompson, Chairman of the Board of Governors, Mr. Allen and other members of the board, Principal, Ms. Jacqueline Edwards, teachers and other members of staff, graduates, other specially invited guests, parents, students, good morning. On behalf of the Ministry of Education and Youth, our Regional Services Director, Mrs. Yashika Blackwood Branch, and the entire Region 2 family, the Region of Care, we are here to offer our congratulations to you. Today we celebrate your academic achievements, your perseverance, and your potential. Your dedication to learning and personal growth has brought you this milestone. You are now on your way to high school. Some of you are excited. Some of you may be feeling scared. But we are certain that you will be just fine. After all, you are the true COVID recovery babies. As you move forward, remember, education is a lifelong journey. Embrace the opportunities and the challenges that lie ahead and continue to strive for excellence. The Ministry of Education and Youth is proud of you. We are happy that we have played a part in your educational journey. We believe in your potential to shape the future and make a positive impact in your communities and in the world at large.
Today is the day for the graduates. You are the reason why we are here. We respect you. We appreciate all you have done because you have made it. You have made all of us proud.
Representing the school at the JTA St. George's Spelling Competition. Quinn was awarded the trophy for top boy, and Zay Richards was placed fourth in the girls category. Kishmar Higgins and Denisha Palmer entered the reading competition and received certificates of participation. Now I know we're going, clap them man, you need to clap them. They're doing well. Please show that you appreciate them. Moving on to sports. The school entered the in-sports football competition where the boys were placed third in the parish round. They also entered the under-10 football competition and got knocked out at the semi-final stage. Moving on to netball. The girls, my girls, and I would say my girls, because oftentimes they rolled my back, they broke my back. They injured me during training. So the girls defended. I got other teachers who made up the team because their opponents from time to time during training was none other than the teachers of Buckley Primary School. We shake them. The girls defended both their titles in the in-sports primary netball and Portland Corporate Credit Union competitions. They were invited to play in the Florida Netball Classic Tournament where they fought hard and were placed fourth. Sorry. Track and field. The school retained the championship trophy once more by dominating St. George's Day sports. They further went on to represent the St. George's District Association in the parish sports. The DA was placed third. 15 of our students were called to represent the Portland track team. 9 of these students made the team and went to the National Stadium to participate in the JTA Salicor Athletics Championship. This is where the 14 parishes bring their best athletes from the primary level to compete.
What matters is that you believe in what you can achieve and you're willing to work towards it. Be a positive influence on your peers. Encourage each other and work together. Parents, guardians, friends, loved ones, it is important for us to be supportive of our children's dreams. Speak life into your children and think of practical ways you can help them achieve their goals. Our job is to guide them along the way. So be involved, be present, take an interest in the things that they do. Proverbs 22 verse 6 says, train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. It is important for us to remember that success is not measured by the award you receive or the titles you hold, but by the impact you make on the lives of those around you. Use your education and your talent to make a difference in the world, no matter how big or small. As you go out into the world, remember to stay true to yourselves, stay humble, and never stop learning and growing. Your future is bright, and I have no doubt that each and every one of you has the potential to achieve the greatness that is within you. I will leave you with a well-known Bible verse. It says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. It comes from Philippians 4 verse 13. Graduating class of 2024, congratulations. The world is yours for the taking. Go forward and make your mark. I thank you.
Yeah. Let me hear you say champion. Champion. Let me hear you say champions. Champions. Because champions you are. You are all champion in the cause of education. You are all champion in the cause to be Jamaica's future leaders. Yes, ma'am. I want to take a page of the Ceremonial book. I'm not in with you, see for Jesus. Lord, I'm not in with it. But she did what she had to do. She championed the cause. And she's standing here before you. I was standing before you as a product of this noble institution. Jesus, understand everything. Yes, ma'am. Was very primary, the school of choice.
Which is the last seconds of our time at the Book Bay Primary School, the school of choice. Primary school has and will always be an unforgettable journey that has prepared us for the future. Whatever it may hold, these glorious years are some of the most memorable moments of our lives. Individually, our experiences here have been unique, but together we share a common bond as members of the school, leaving March of 2024. and soon to be the graduates of the Buckby Primary School. Wow! Are we excited and filled with anticipation? And the next stage of our lives is about to begin. Teachers and parents, without your support, we may not have made it to this day. You have been there for us since the beginning, guiding, molding, supporting, and watching us grow. You have witnessed us transform from cute little babies to responsible individuals.
Our theme states collaboration for success. We have indeed worked hand in hand to get here. The roller coaster ride of our journey began 6 years ago for most of us when we entered through the huge gate of the Buckby Primary School. For many of us, it was a humbling experience. Others found it to be overwhelming. Many cried as their loved ones left them in the care of total strangers. We were assured and reassured that taken to our two caregivers at the great great one. I say no to worry. I'll be already, got to be ready. Because I will be